We are driving down from the hills of the northern part of Perth, the beautiful Wine Valley. We were a lot higher than this even. And this road is heading back to Perth, but the other end will take you to the top of Western Australia. Yeah, beautiful. Lots of farming, cows and horses. Really nice. Yeah. So, look at that. Beautiful greenery. Coming up to the, just so nice. Jeff's driving. And this is me. Do you want to say hello? Hello, the show. Hello, everybody. Okay, having a Sunday day out after church, feeling of the spirit of creation, but we give the Creator praise.